Chris here, another unboxing video today. As you can tell by the title. Anyway, so I ordered this last year. It's one of my dad gave me this for Christmas, even though I ordered it. It's pretty heavy actually, so woo! Look at that. Big box. Weighs about 11 pounds or so. UPS was telling me. So you hear noises, sorry, I'm watching Rocky 2. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's see what I got. Or my dad gave me, to be exact. I'm sorry, I'm using a regular kitchen knife as opposed to one of those nice cutters. I'm a real disgrace. If I can open it. Where's the, oh, there it is. Children don't open boxes like I do. The way I do them is just wrong. I might stab myself before I can even get a hold of opening this thing. Close enough. Let me see. I don't see. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but okay, I'm gonna put it down actually. That way I can actually pull it out right. Wow. Okay. Boom. The T5200 by Nikon. Look at that. That's what I got. Really nice. Really nice. Really happy. Look at that. It's an old camera. It's relatively not that new, but it's okay. Here's my first. The 70-300 lens, Nikon. I got it with that. Here's a photo lens. 2x2 high definition telephoto. 52 millimeters. 0.43 wide angle lens. Probably wondering why did I get so many lenses. Let me see, what else did I got? I got like a whole bundle set. This is not just the camera, as you can tell. Bought with a couple lenses and whatnot. 2 memory cards, 16 gigs, 230 millibytes. Ultraviolet filter. Cheap tripod, which might come in handy. Ooh. Digital sleeve flash. Sleeve flash, there you go. So that's what I got. See, digital sleeve flash as well. Rapid travel charger. That might come in handy. A deluxe starter kit. They actually sent me one of these. That's pretty cool. What's this? Oh, okay. So I got a spare battery. So that's good. Nikon comes with one, but they sent me another one just in case. That's really cool. Universal remote control for my camera. That's really nice. A card reader. Yeah, an SD card reader. So yeah. I have a camera and I've been wanting to, but I needed an upgrade. So what's this? It's I think it's like one of those handheld things. Put it like that. You hold the camera a little better. See it. So yeah, that's because I wanted to do photography. I'm gonna be going to a car show tomorrow with Killer Mistress again. She's gonna be tagging along, and we're gonna be taking photos of some of the most expensive cars in the world. And I figure, why not do it with a brand new camera? Oh, this is nice. This might come really handy for tomorrow. Oh wow, it's actually really nice. Backpack. Store my camera and lenses in there. Looks like it's pretty okay. I mean, it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like I'll be able to store my stuff in there nicely without a problem. Yeah, overall, this is a pretty nice. Super excited. Let's take a look at the actual. So yeah, that's So all the stuff that came with it, that's a lot of stuff. For a whole bundle, just in time. So yeah, here it is, guys. Nikon D5200. Let me see what it's got. It's got the manual. You can see it's got the DVD or CD-ROM. Probably more instructions of how to use it. Let me see what's this over here. Lens. We got our first lens wrapped in bubbles. I love bubbles. What kind of lens is this? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my gift, Christmas gift from Dad. Thanks, Dad, that I ordered, that I helped him order last year, and I picked out. Let that sink in for those of you that are not getting that reference. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of. Well, I don't know. There's nothing really much. So that's pretty much it. I'll be debuting it tomorrow at Silicon Valley Auto Show at the San Jose Convention Center. Looking forward to that. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. I won't be posting anything tomorrow. I'll probably do it on Saturday. Post some of the footage of whatever, a day in the life at the auto show. So yeah, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.